And a lovely day to you all. Today I just want to tell you about a new series that it's a weekly thing that I'm wanting to do, and it's really about finding your craft items at the lowest possible price and getting the best bargain that you can get, and as many craft items as you can for your money. Now I am, I'm terrible. I look everywhere for my craft items, and believe you me, as you all know, and have all done, I've spent thousands on craft items over the years, lots and lots and lots and lots of money. Now, I had heard about AliExpress and Wish.com, and I thought, oh gosh, I don't really want to have to wait 3 months for items. Will it arrive? I'd ordered some things off of eBay through from China, and yeah, no problem. I haven't had any problem receiving anything. Anyway, I'd been watching videos, and some of our trusted craftspeople out there, I've heard them mention AliExpress and Wish.com, and I thought, you know what? If it's good for them, it'll be good for me. And I thought, if they trust AliExpress, Wish.com, then I'm going to give it a go. Anyhow, it doesn't always take that long to receive your items. And actually, a lot of the things that I've ordered, I've actually received within a week. Now, I've ordered things from UK sellers off of eBay, and it's took longer. Some things, yes, have took a bit longer, and I've only ever had 2 things not turn up, and you're talking out of hundreds of things, not just I've ordered 10 things and 2 things didn't turn up. I've probably ordered about 150 items over the last couple of months, and only 2 things didn't arrive, and I got credited straight away. I didn't even have to wait and to and fro from sellers. I actually, got the money back very, very simply. So overall, no problem whatsoever, and the products, have been amazing. So every week now, I'm going to be showing you some of the products that I have bought, and I'm going to be telling you how much they cost. Now, some of them I've got in pounds and dollars, or cents and pennies, but I don't have any other currency, but you get the idea. So, you want to work it out, then I'll tell you how much it is in pounds, and just show you the product, because I can't believe it, actually. And out of the two, Wish.com and AliExpress, I will say that I prefer AliExpress, because you don't, most of them are free postage, or it's pennies for postage. The downside with Wish.com is that, say you order 4 things from one seller, you've got to pay the same postage for each item, and there's postage on every item. There are some things on there that's free postage, so still worth having a look. But now, if I can find these things on AliExpress, I will use AliExpress. Now, today I'm going to be showcasing some stencils, and these aren't just good for junk journals, these are good for all different projects, tags, etc. But they are amazing. They're really, really good, and really, really, really good value for money. Honestly, you won't believe it when I tell you how much they are. So every week I'm going to be showing you products that I've bought from there. Now, it's not just going to be stencils. I've bought stamps, I've bought ribbons, I've bought dies, all sorts of things. So as the weeks go on, I'll show you the products that I buy, and I'll show you some things. I will be showing you what to do with them in other videos. So you'll see throughout some of my tutorials some of these products being used. So anyway, I've, excuse me, waffled so much now that I'm going to start coughing. So I shall just get on with it and show you these stencils. So today, these are just some stencils that I have purchased, and I've got a nice dark piece of card so that I can show them. And a lot of these have got French themes, but so this is the first one, and it is very vintage, very French, and very large. It is A4 size. So as you can see, and it is a script, French script, I think. Is it all French? No, it's not French. The script, some of it's French, I think, black. So it's just nice script. And then this lovely French, almost like an advert. Now, you do have to, on some of them, you've got to poke out the little, for the first time you use it, you might find that you've got some of this plastic behind. But most of the time it comes off and with use. Or you can just, if you've got the, I've got one from Stampin' Up, the die brush. That would work to get all these little bits out. Because look, you can see there's still some little bits in here that I need to pop out. You'll see them there. But they do come off or come out really easy. So this is the first one. Now, this was... I stuck it there, didn't I? Did I take the green one off? Anyway, they're roughly the same price anyway. This was 90 pence, and it is huge. It's a really big stencil. I won't bother showing you it on, actually on like paper and that, because you can see from here the stencil. It is just so cool. So that was 90 pence, and if you want to search for it, it's one piece DIY craft hollow layering stencils. But if you put in stencils in there, you know, you'll come across them anyway. So that's the first one. Oops, let's pop that there. The second one we have here, let me take it out of the packet. Haven't even used them yet, so I'm quite excited to start using them. Now, all of these bar one are A4 size. Now, this is, let me show you, like tickets and like this steampunk. These are just numbers and postmarks. And see, as you can see, look, that one's got a little bit there that needs to be, oops, popped out. There you go. Like that. Now, let's just get a bit of tea-dyed paper, and I'll just show you. No, have I got my vintage photo? I haven't got my vintage photo handy, but I'll just show you one of these. So let's do this ticket one here. And these are just so much fun to use on your junk journals and on your projects, on your tags, pockets, as background things. And look how cool that is. So super easy to use. Just love them. I think they are so cool. So let's just do this one. You can do it as light or as dark, or you can just do a bit of it. You know, you don't have to do the whole thing. You could just do the flowers if you wanted to. So as you can see, look how cool that is. So if you wanted to, you could just do, let's just do the word, let's just do the word flower here. If I can just try and get the word itself. So you see, look, you don't have to use the whole stencil. You can just use part of it. They are brilliant. So this one is 87 pence. Let me just get a baby wipe. And just, oh, these are not even wet. And then all you need to do is just get, I just get a baby wipe. And just clean them off like that. So that is this one, and it has the vintage flower garden, the mixture of numbers, postmark. You could just do the postmark if you just wanted. pastimes, moments, ticket, London. And that one is 87 pence. So I shall pop that one there. And then get rid of this. Ugh. Right, okay. This next one is a French themed one again. And this was 95 pence. Oh, the other one was called DIY Craft Stencils. This one is called DIY Craft Letter Alphabet Layering Stencils. And it's 95 pence or $1.44. And the great thing about AliExpress, Wish.com, they'll deliver anywhere in the world. So, you know, the postage costs, I don't know how they do it from China for free. Right, okay, so this one is very French. It's got this very large Paris up here. This very huge postmark. And then, but you could, like I said, just do that little bit. And then there's patisserie advert there and like a brick wall. So that's a great fun little background stencil. So that is that one. Excuse me. Okay, the next one is DIY Craft Layering Stencils and 87 pence. And if I get it out, because I haven't got these out yet. This is another large one. And again, these are just French adverts. Gâteau et confiserie. I can't even say in French. I must do apologise. My French is not very good. I couldn't even begin to pronounce that word. I won't even try because I'll make myself look like a fool. Just great for, I mean, you could even have it as a, you know, page. That would be a page, you know. Just lovely big stencil there. And then this one is a it's Flower Vine DIY Craft Layering Plastic Stencil, 46 pence. That's with postage. 46 pence. Like, wow. Can I get this out of the bag? Let me have a look. How do I get in here? 46 pence. I mean, how can you possibly go wrong with that? And I do love the floral fleur de lis sort of. This has got a big vine and then this lovely flowered border, and then this make a nice big corner, lovely corners there. So I don't know if I've got that the right way, but I suppose it matters. Sorry, so that one is, now that is a bit bent, that one, so I don't know if that's happened in transit. Might have just been me being daft there. So this is the flowering vine, and I'm going to probably have to put something heavy on that one because that is a bit bent. And I now have a really tickly cough. Okay, so Flower Vine DIY Craft Layering Plastic Stencil, 46 pence. An absolute bargain. This one is another French themed one, and this is called DIY Butterfly Layering Stencils, 95 pence. Now, again, you've got all these bits you need to pop out of here. You do have to be careful when you're trying to get these bits out that you don't. There you go, they come out very easy. I love the butterflies. Now where's my pokey tool? As you can see on here, there are some bits that still need to be popped out there, but very easy to get out, just like a die cut really, which it is a die cut really, isn't it? So this one has a lovely butterfly postcard and some script there, and lovely flowers and like coffee marks. Like that one. That one I've seen other people use and I really like it. And then you've got a bit of script there. So DIY butterfly layering stencil, 95p. Great, great prices. Let me get rid of this. And the last one, this was 73p or $1.31, and it's vintage clock DIY layering stencils. And this is a small one, but I quite like this being small, and it's just lots of different clock faces. So really, really sweet. I haven't tried this one out, so let's have a go, shall we? So this would be your journal page, and we would just, what one do we like? Let's do this one here. So you could just do it a little bit, or you could do it as just on the edge. See how cool that is, look. Very cool. Very, very cool. I love it. Let's just do. I do like the stencils on your journal pages. So there are the stencils. Now all my baby wipes are not wet. Why is that? How silly is that? They're not wet. Not very wet anyway. I think what it is, I've had the pack open and I've not closed it up, so it's dried out. So actually that was the most, I say expensive. It wasn't really expensive. It's 73p, but it is a little one. But if you're wondering where to get your stencils from, I would certainly recommend these stencils and give them a huge big thumbs up. Now, I will be showing you, you know, if I do get anything which I'm not, I think, oh, it doesn't, you know, it's not as good or something wrong with it, I will tell you. At the moment, I haven't really found anything that I've received and thought, oh, no, that was a waste of money. Not at all. So lots and lots of things to be showing you, and I'll be doing a video every week, or maybe one or two a week, to show you these products because I think they are amazing. So AliExpress for these products. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you like, if you liked it, and if you would like to see more of these type of videos, because like I said, I have purchased lots of things: stamps, wooden stamps, rubber stamps, dies, ribbons. Really can't wait to show you the ribbons because and the gorgeous laces that I've got, because I know from going to my haberdashery, local haberdashery, I've gone in and walked out because I just couldn't afford to pay the prices just for you know, a yard of ribbon or lace. You will not believe the quality and the prices of these laces. So I'll probably do a lace one next, just to show you, because they are so good. But please let me know what you think, if you would like to see more, if there's any particular products you maybe want to see more of, and if I've got them, I will show you them. So thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and don't forget I am giving a giveaway, so go back on my videos and have a look if you'd like to take part. Take care for now. Bye bye.